ma'am.
We did this one last, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is what we have to do.
Yes.
Question number 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now question number 8 is, if z is 10, you have to find the value of this. Okay.
Yes.
So over here, first you will try it and don't get confused. Okay. Step by step, be very calm. Like step by step solve it. Okay.
Okay.
You have to put, instead of z, you have to put 10, and here also you will put 10. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
10 and here 10. And remember one thing, when you will multiply, it is -3.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
So -3 will be multiplied with this, and then -3 will be multiplied with this. So it will become plus. Right?
Yes.
Like this.
Yes.
Solve.
Okay. Ma'am, done.
So what you got, Samira? What was your answer, Samya?
Ma'am, I got for the first part Z.
What you got? Yes. So I hope you did it like this only, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, plus minus got minus, and it will subtract it. They will get cancelled, and 1000. For second
Yes.
also you did?
Oh, I didn't understand.
Okay. Now do the second one. Remember, this is -10. Okay. So over here, when you are doing over here, when you will do -10, and here when you will do -10, right? So remember one thing, minus and minus will be, yes. So do it very carefully. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, done.
And
Yes, ma'am.
okay, what you got?
Ma'am, I got
Hmm. May you are not audible. No, you are not audible.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, what you got?
got T.
Okay. 20?
Yes,
Okay. Now coming to next question over here. See, what should be the value of A if value of 2x square plus x minus A is equals to 5, where x is 0. Okay. So over here what they are saying, see, this 2x square plus x minus A is equals to 5, right?
yes,
And x is 0. So what you will do, instead of writing x, you will write 0
yes,
plus
ma'am.
0 minus A, and then you have to find the value of A.
Yes,
Okay, solve it and tell me what is the value of A.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
It's done.
no, ma'am, I can't. I tried to do, but my answer is wrong.
Okay, let's see. So over here, how we are going to do? See, this is what you put, right?
Yes,
So remember one thing, whenever you have to find the value, right? For example, you have to find the value of x, a, b, whatever it is. You have to make this person alone. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So this is equal sign. For example, if this is plus 2, right? So when this plus 2 will go to some other house, right? This is house 1 and this is house 2. Okay.
Yes,
For example, right now you are sitting at your home. You have to attend a function. So at that time you will go like this, or you will change yourself. You will change, you will wear new clothes, right? You will change yourself, right?
yes, ma'am.
So similarly, for example, here, remember one thing, if a number is in plus, it will become minus here, right?
Yes,
If the number is in minus, it will become plus. Multiply, divide, multiply, right? So over here, remember one thing, whenever you have to find the value, you have to make that person alone. So over here, it is 20, 0, my plus 0 minus a equals to 5, right? So when you will multiply 2 with 0, it will be 0
yes, ma'am.
plus 0 minus a equals to 5. So 0 plus 0 is 0,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And it's minus a and 5, right? So this a cannot be minus, so this minus will come here and it will be minus 5. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So this is how. So your a will be minus 5. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will solve it.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. So now this one over here, when A is 5 and B is -3, so you have to put a value and you have to find the value. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Instead of A and B, you have to write 5 and -3.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm joining the class again. Actually, ma'am, I am having some internet issues.
Okay, Samya, you can leave and you can rejoin, okay?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Samya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
you done?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you got?
Ma'am, 38.
Okay. Yes, very good. Now coming to the next exercise. First, before that, we will do few questions. Okay, like the examples we'll do. And after
Right.
that, we'll do the last because last exercise is not that much important. Not important, like it's basically the observation exercise. Okay. Okay. So, this was exercise. Yeah, this one you will do. Find the value. Example number 7. Find the value from following expression when x is 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
No mistake. Okay, Samya.
Okay. Ma'am, done.
Okay, Samya. So what you got?
Ma'am, for the first part, I got 6.
Okay.
And ma'am, for the second part, I got 5.
Okay.
And ma'am, -1.
Okay.
And ma'am, 20.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now you will do the next one. This one. Okay. Over here, Samya, it is -2. So be
Okay,
very careful. Okay.
okay ma'am. Ma'am, example 8.
Yes.
Okay ma'am.
Audible?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Example 8. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let's just check. First one, what you got?
Ma'am, -12.
Very good.
And ma'am, the second one, I got 8.
Okay. Third.
Ma'am, third, 0.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's just do the next question. Okay.
Ma'am.
This one. Okay. Example number 9.
Okay ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now just tell me first one.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
ma'am, 5.
Okay. Second.
13.
Okay. Next.
25.
Okay. Next.
19.
Very good. Okay. So very good, Samya. You are doing good. Okay. Now what we are going to do, like over there are few things which you have to remember. Perimeter formulas are there. Right? So we will learn the formulas today and then we'll solve the questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first is perimeter formula. So perimeter, first of all, ma'am, what is a perimeter? Right? So for example, this is the area. Right? This is a playground.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this boundary is always a perimeter. Okay?
Yes.
And this inside is area. This is
Yes.
area and this is perimeter. So perimeter formulas first of all. So for example, you have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means it has all the sides equal. Right? So what
Yes.
will be the formula? If you have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, it will be 3 into length of its side.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Or you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write it like 3L. Okay?
Yes.
Then perimeter of square is 4L, like 4 multiplied by side.
Yes, ma'am.
And perimeter of regular pentagon. Pentagon means it has 5 sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is 5 multiplied by side. Okay, so what you will write first? You will write perimeter formula and then you will write perimeter of equilateral triangle equals to 3L. Perimeter of square 4 into side. Perimeter of regular pentagon 5 into side. Like this. Okay. Am I audible, Samya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You can write it down. Then we'll do area. Then we'll do solve the question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, written.
Okay. Now we will do area. Okay, so first is area of square. So it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
side into side. Then
Yes.
area of rectangle, length into breadth. And this
Yes.
is important. Area of a triangle, which is breadth into height and 2, which is basically half into base into height.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this. So you will write all the formula first for square, then for rectangle, and then for triangle.
Okay. Ma'am, written.
Okay, Samya. Now coming to next, rules of number of pattern. Okay, these are some rules. Basically, there are 2 rules. Let's just see. First is, if a natural number is denoted by n, its successor. You have 2 words. One is successor and one is predecessor. Right?
Yes.
So successor is basically adding 1. Right?
Yes.
So for example, if I say, if I'll tell you, ask you, Samya, what is the successor of 9? So who will be the successor?
10.
Yes. And the predecessor?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes. Then if a natural number is denoted by n, 2n even number and 2n plus 1 odd numbers. Okay, so this is what, like this. So if you have to find the even number for this, right? So 2n will be the even number and 2n plus 1 will become odd number.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For example, I just gave you 4, right? I said to make this even. So how will you make it? 2n. 4
Yes,
into
ma'am.
2, 8. And if I say
Yes.
to make it odd, so you will be like 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1. So it is 8 plus 1, which is 9. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's just do this. Over here, observe the pattern of digit made from the line segment. You will find such segment digit on the display of electronic watches or calculator. So you can see this. Okay. And this is given like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, this and this. Okay. So first of all, what you have to find? You have to find how many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now basically over here, these were the things, right? So algebraic expression related to this was 5n plus 1,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So when your n is 5, it will be 26. When your n is 10, over here you can see it is 5 and then 10, okay?
Yes.
Then 100. So it is this, right? And then algebraic expression related to this. So over here, what you got to know that you have 5, 10 and 100, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So this is what. Then coming to this, you just have to put in value 3n plus 1. So
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
put 16, 31, 301, right?
Yes.
And putting this 27, 52 and 502, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mm. Okay. So can you complete this table,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. You will complete this table and then you will solve it like this. For example, it is given this n is 100, right? Over here you have to find the 100th one, right? So instead of n, what you will write? You will write 100, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But for example, if you have to find this one, then instead of writing this n, you will write 5, right?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, done.
So what you got?
Ma'am, in the 10th row, I got 32.
Okay.
What? 90. 101. 101.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, the 100th row, I got 199. 302. 401. 720.
Okay, good. Next.
1000. Ma'am, 10001.
Okay. Okay. So basically now we are done with this chapter. Okay, Samya. So
Okay.
now you are good. What I'm going to I'll give you one random question from this chapter, and
Okay.
just tell me do you are you confident with the chapter, or what is your status now?
No, ma'am, I'm confident with the chapter.
Very good. So I am giving you 5 minutes. Quickly revise from first day what we did. Okay. Then I will give you one random question today. Okay. Then you will solve it. It will be from NCRT only, right?
Okay.
You will
Okay.
solve that, and after that, in a next class, I will take your test. I'll make a test for you for this chapter. That will
Okay.
be a surety that okay, you know everything.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm giving you 5 minutes. Quickly revise it, and then I'll give you one question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, Samya. So I'm just giving you the question. This one, second and third part you will be doing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So what you got?
And for the second part, I got minus 13.
Okay.
And ma'am, for the fourth part, I got 3.
Very good. Okay. Very, very good. Okay. One last question. Okay. Then I'll leave you. This. This one and this one. Fourth and fifth. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
What you got?
Fourth part, I got 1.
You got? Samiya, you are not audible.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes. Next.